sir. I'm Chief Merrick's Office PD. License and registration, please.
What did I do?
See license and registration. We'll talk about it, sir. I'm talking to, and I'll be glad to. Mr. Mitchell. The reason I'm pulling you over because you did a California stop back at that stoplight. When you finally came to a stop and it's 3/4 of the way out in the road, somebody could have hit you.
Yes, sir.
Tell you what, step out the car for me. Is anything illegal in the truck?
No, sir.
Alright. How about stepping out for me? Alright. Still want to do this? I could get that squat.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Have a seat right there. How you doing? Your name, please, ma'am?
Sierra Harrison.
Sarah, do me a favor. Will you step out the car, please?
Yeah.
Is anything illegal? Anything will hurt me, poke and stick me in the vehicle?
No.
Not. Okay. How about walking back here with me?
Were you married me? Hello? You okay? I appreciate it, Chief.
You know what's going on, did you? You're on camera, so I got it.